Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Toyota Rav4 Hybrid updated. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and allowing the engine to cool for about 15 minutes. Gather tools including a 14 socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, and 0W20 oil. Use gloves, glasses, and rags. Confirm you have 8 QT of 0W20 and a new OEM oil filter before lifting the vehicle. Start by loosening the oil fill cap on top of the engine to help oil drain quicker. Position a drain pan under the engine, then remove the oil drain plug with a 14 socket and let the oil drain fully. While oil drains, remove the old oil filter with an oil filter wrench and clean the mounting surface. Replace the drain plug and torque to the factory specification before installing the new filter. After installing the new oil filter, add 8 QT of 0W20 oil through the oil filler opening using a funnel. Wait 2 minutes to allow oil to settle, then start the engine for about 30 seconds and shut it off to circulate oil. Inspect around the oil filter and drain plug for any leaks, then recheck the dipstick and top off as needed. Reset the maintenance reminder according to your owner manual.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.